The battle over South Carolina's fetal heartbeat law is now headed to court. The lawsuit claims the abortion law violates South Carolina's rights to privacy and equal protection under the Constitution. Arguments will be heard in state court here in Columbia Tuesday morning at 10. Meanwhile, State Attorney General Alan Wilson announcing today that a previous injunction blocking the law has officially been lifted. The fetal heartbeat law bans abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy before most women know they're pregnant, with exceptions for rape, incest, and the life of the mother. The law has been in effect since late June, a few days after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade.